welcome to Sound Movement Arts Center. This is your studio tour. You're going to look for 3502 South 12th Street, Suite B. There is parking to the left of the building, so that's on South Puget Sound Avenue, right next to Franklin Park. And there's also parking in the back of the building if you can't find any on the side there. And then also parking next to Franklin Park. You're gonna walk your kiddo up to Suite B, looking for that sign, and you're gonna enter the building. If the lights are on and that sandwich board is out front, we are here. If you're brand new, you're gonna make your way to the front desk, complete your paperwork. All students coming in for season 8 are gonna need a new student registration form, regardless of whether or not they took class over the summer or last year. We always get updated contact information just so that we have it. And this is also where you can purchase apparel. We sell shoes and tights and lots of different things for different dance classes, even hair supplies sometimes, masks if you need them, and snacks. So be prepared to either let your kiddo purchase snacks, excuse me, purchase snacks and or give them a firm talking to about not purchasing snacks. And you can always let the front desk know also on that subject whether or not you want your kid to be able to do that. And then if the case is not, then we can put a note in your account. All right, so that's that. And on our right-hand side here is Studio 1 and some seating for your convenience. Some of the stuff in here is set up for our sale tomorrow. As you proceed, there's additional seating here, the couch and the stools. On the left-hand side here is Studio 2 and also the Lost and Found. So if you haven't been here in a while and you're returning, please make sure you check the Lost and Found. It will get donated at the end of the month. To the right there is the Staff Lounge. That is for teachers and staff only. As we come towards this counter here, this is new this year. The monthly newsletters are going to be printed out and posted here. There's also going to be one downstairs in Studio 3 lobby for your convenience. So please make sure you read it, take a look at it. If you don't like to read it on your phone, no worries. We will have hard copies there as well. Our banana board is here and will be updated. Information on that is in the newsletters, as well as our student spotlight board. And then you'll see a sign leading you to Studio 3. Miss Giselle's office is on the left-hand side. There are 2 restrooms here. Restroom 2, and I'm just gonna kind of do a quick little thing. And then over here is restroom 3. And if you are heading to Studio 3, you're gonna take a left. And it's gonna you're gonna kind of go through this, what I would call a corridor. This is where our teachers enter the building. So that door is accessible to the back lot. However, please do not enter or exit that way. We want all students and families coming in and out the front door. This is largely for your security, but also so that we have peace of mind and we know that the kiddos are going correctly to their grown-ups. So please discourage them and do not go out that back door. Otherwise, action will be taken. So you're gonna go through this double door, and this is a shared hallway. So please be mindful that to our left-hand side, going up the stairs, there are private residences. So please make sure that you are discreet and as quiet as possible. Obviously, rushing to and from classes is tricky sometimes, but please try to be mindful of your noise. And then you're gonna take a left. That is a doctor's office entrance. So you're gonna take a left, you're gonna go down the stairs, and I will walk us down there. And you'll see these signs that say where you're going. And then it is a basement. However, it's a nicely finished basement. So this is the most basement-y wall of them. And then you'll see our super cool sign here that lets you know you're in the right place. And we used to offer some other stuff that we don't offer anymore. That's why it's blacked out. And then you'll see this door, which will be propped open. And I'm gonna only curve you around a little tiny bit because we're still working on some details. So please keep in mind, Studio 3 will be down here. If your kiddo has class down here, make sure you have them go to the bathroom before they come downstairs. And as always, please make sure you're supervising your child while they're at the studio. We will have a parent volunteer down here most of the time in our second lobby space. However, it's a good idea if one parent can be with your kiddo or close by. And there's ample seating down here as well. It's kind of a fun setup, but it's not quite done yet, so I'm gonna keep it a surprise. But you'll just go left at this door and then you're into our lobby and new studio, and welcome to season 8. We look forward to having you, and classes start Monday, September 12th. Welcome back.